Think digital marketing is just a buzzword? Think again. Welcome to Cashflow Workshop, where today we're turning the complex world of digital marketing into your playground. Ever felt overwhelmed by digital marketing? Worry no more. We're here to demystify digital marketing and show you how to make your online business not just survive, but thrive. Part 1. The digital marketing game. In the digital arena, the game is always on. But what's the secret to winning? Stay tuned as we reveal the strategies that top brands use to dominate online. Quick question. What's the one thing all successful online brands have in common? Drop your guess in the comments and let's see if you're right. Part 2. Social media, the battleground. First up, social media. It's not just a stage, it's a battleground. Here, content is king, and engagement is your army. The battlefield where brands are born and legends are made. Let's uncover the strategies that turn followers into loyal customers. Let's unlock social media marketing secrets, fast and furious style. Know your audience. Who's your crowd? Pin down their hangouts and peak times. Get this right, and you're halfway there. Content that clicks. Content is king, but engagement is the crown. Hit the sweet spot with posts that educate, entertain, and inspire. Smart paid ads. Throw a spotlight on your brand with paid ads. Target, shoot, and score. Analytics, your secret weapon. Data doesn't lie. Dive into analytics, tweak your strategy, and stay ahead of the game. That's social media marketing. Quick, effective, and powerful. Ready to conquer the digital world? Let's roll. Part 3. SEO, the hidden game changer. Now let's decode SEO. It's your hidden game changer, the key to appearing where your audience is looking. We'll dive into keyword research, link building, and content that ranks in this quick start SEO guide. Keyword research. Uncover the terms your audience is searching for. It's like finding the secret map to buried treasure. On-page optimization. Sprinkle those keywords naturally in your title tags, meta descriptions, and content. Make your site a magnet for search engines. Quality content creation. Create valuable, engaging content that answers your audience's burning questions. It's not just about keywords, it's about relevance and value. Building backlinks. They're like digital high fives from other websites. The more quality backlinks you have, the more credible your site becomes. Analyzing and adapting. Finally, analyze and adapt. Use SEO tools to track your rankings, understand what's working, and refine your strategies. Stay agile and always be ready to evolve with the digital landscape. Part 4. Email marketing. More than just sending mails. Email marketing. It's your direct line to customers. But there's a twist. It's not about sending mails. It's about sending value. Discover how to craft emails that people can't wait to open. Building your list. First, build your list organically. Offer value in exchange for an email address. Think ebooks, webinars, or exclusive offers. Segmentation is key. Segmentation is your secret weapon. Customize your communication. Cater to specific interests, behaviors, or customer journeys. Personalization wins. Get personal. Use names, tailor content based on customer data. Make each recipient feel like the only one on your list. Crafting compelling content. Content is queen. Entice with catchy headlines. Engage with compelling stories. And always include a clear call to action. Testing and analytics. Finally, test and measure. Use A/B testing to find what clicks. Keep an eye on open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Adapt and evolve. And there you have it, your quick start guide to mastering email marketing. Turn your inbox into a treasure chest of opportunities. Part 5. Content marketing. Telling stories that sell. Content marketing is the art of storytelling that captivates and converts. From blogs to videos, learn how compelling narratives can drive your business growth. Ready to make your content a magnet? Here's your fast track to content that clicks. Know your audience. Start with your audience. Who are they? What do they need and love? Tailor your content to fit their world. Diverse formats. Mix it up. Blogs, videos, infographics. Variety keeps your audience hooked and engaged. Storytelling is key. Embrace storytelling. Share customer stories, behind-the-scenes successes. Make your brand relatable and real. Quality over quantity. Focus on quality. One outstanding piece is worth more than 10 mediocre ones. Quality builds trust and authority. SEO and shareability. Don't forget SEO and shareability. Optimize your content for search engines and make it easy to share. Expand your digital footprint. Content marketing is a journey. Turn your content into gold. Part 6. Paid advertising. Investing in visibility. Step into the fast lane with paid advertising. It's not just spending money, it's making money work for you. Reach new audiences, make a splash, and see real results. Forget guesswork. Embrace strategy. Ready to turn ads into profit? Here's your quick guide to ads that hit the mark every time. Targeting done right. Get laser-focused with targeting. Pinpoint your audience by interests, demographics, behaviors. The right ad to the right person. Crafting compelling ad. Content. Create ads that turn heads. Use compelling visuals and irresistible copy that speaks directly to your audience's needs. Testing and optimizing. Test, learn, optimize. Always experiment with different ad versions. Find what resonates and refine your approach. Monitoring ROI. Keep an eye on the prize ROI. Track your ad spend, conversions, and sales. Ensure every dollar spent is an investment. Leveraging retargeting. Don't let potential customers slip away. Use retargeting ads to re-engage visitors who showed interest but didn't convert. Paid advertising can be your revenue rocket. Launch it right with these tips. For more insights and digital dynamite strategies, subscribe to Cashflow Workshop. Let's make your business boom. Earlier, I asked what all successful online brands have in common. The answer? Exceptional customer engagement. It's not just about selling a product or service, it's about creating an experience that resonates with your audience. Let's dive into how you can master this in your digital marketing strategy in future videos. Digital marketing is more than just a set of tools. It's a craft you can master to write your own success story. At Cashflow Workshop, we're all about turning complexity into clarity. Join us on this journey, where every step brings you closer to mastering the digital world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's make digital waves together.